Yes, they are preparing.
They are preparing ice cream in coffee sandwich.
Yes. Okay.
Mali.
Ingredients.
Cookies,
Cookies. Ice cream.
ice cream,
Of course, ice cream.
and everything.
Wala na, oy.
How is it being done?
Butan mo.
First, ice cream.
Picture na mo.
Oh, baka yung picture na.
Nagda na ang picture. Dapat kayo next one diri mo. Next group. Next group. Yes. What are you doing?
Hello.
How do you call this one?
Lettuce.
No, this one.
Ay.
Hindi, nani siya.
What are with ice?
Boiling, ay dili din boiling, ma'am. Ikaw ba sa...
Ice water ba? Pag English ba kayo? Kung ano, YouTube. International.
Sorry.
International to you.
Uy, di ko makita.
Yes, what you're doing is...
I'm just joining the lettuce into ice with water.
Why did you do that? Ay, hindi siya ni-change. Hindi mo alam. Wala mo. Ay,
Sama?
wala mo.
Kita ko alam. Takapungit.
Hi! Good morning! Samok-samok me. May malata ba na siya niya, di ba?
Kani ma'am?
Ayaw na, oy! Anong.
Dili, anak ni ma'am.
Dali, butangin dali.
Kulang.
Kulang og unsa ma'am?
Ma'am, nagmam.
Di ma'am.
Awid.
Ma'am, yung natatapal, ma'am. This is my group. My group? Where's my group? Say something.
We're preparing rainbow
Kami mga sabaan.
sandwich.
Uy, kami mga
The main ingredients are tuna, lettuce, tomato, white turtle, and and the cheese, and my crew chef, and
Kami restaurante.
Pipino!
okay, yeah. This we call rainbow bread, and the ordinary bread.
Hindi mo the colored one?
Rainbow bread.
The rainbow bread. Kami pala. Our beautiful teacher. What is the color of the rainbow?
Roy G. Beef. Bread.
Over there. Wala mo na. This is the... Pregnant Grammy! Dali ko. Mabisi-bisi lang, God. Sige, sige, ginuto. Kanang lipat up ng tubig sandwich with more spaghetti. Hindi matangkad. Hold daw prito, eh. Sapa, ang nagod. Pregnant drop ni diri ha. Alam mo tabang si ma'am.
Meet na ni ma'am.
Pila mo lang nagway.
We are going to cover the ice cream.
Yeah.
And then we will set it aside. We will put it in the freezer. For later.
Thank you.
And they're done.
Yes, I take that.
Kaya pag pang-cover eh. More. Some more.
Add more?
Add more. And more.
Uy, ano? Ano?